via Albion Essentials. Find the link to our shop in the description. Please note, some product designs or vehicles in this video are for demonstration purposes only and may vary slightly from your wiper blades or vehicle. Step 1. Lift the wiper arms. Step 2. Remove the old wiper blades. Press the push button to disengage the adapter. Slide the wiper out of the arm while maintaining pressure at the bottom of the adapter. Step 3. Before fitting the new wiper, gently lower the spring-loaded wiper arm onto the windscreen to prevent it from snapping back and damaging the glass. Step 4. Fit the new wiper blades. Remove any protective blade covers if present. Align the highlighted push button with the wiper arm end. Press up on the adapter from the bottom to depress the push button. Slide the wiper into the arm while keeping pressure applied at the bottom. Ensure the wiper blade push button clicks in place. Step 5. Confirm that each wiper blade adapter is securely fastened to prevent it from coming loose and damaging the glass. Step 6. Thoroughly clear the windscreen to remove any grease or stubborn dirt. Step 7. Lower the wiper arms. You're ready to go. Safe travels. Consider subscribing to get car maintenance reminders via YouTube posts and keep your car in shape.